Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
It's Jessica here, and I'm thrilled to be taking you on a walking tour of the romantic beaches of Buzios in Brazil. Get ready to experience the sun, sand, and crystal clear waters of one of the most beautiful beach destinations in the world. Before we start, please make sure to click the like button to show your support for this video. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to write a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
We begin our tour at the famous Jeriba Beach, known for its long stretch of white sand and clear waters. As we walk along the beach, you'll see the breathtaking scenery of the lush green mountains that surround the area. The beach is perfect for surfing, and you'll see many surfers riding the waves. Take a moment to watch them as they glide on the water with ease. Next, we head to the charming Ferradura Beach, which is shaped like a horseshoe. The beach is relatively small, but it offers some of the most stunning views of the ocean. The water here is calm and perfect for swimming, so take a dip and enjoy the refreshing water. From Ferradura, we move to the Orla Bardo Boardwalk, named after the famous actress Brigitte Bardot who visited Buzios in the 60s. Here, you'll see stunning views of the ocean and the surrounding beaches. The boardwalk is lined with restaurants, shops, and bars, making it a great spot to grab a bite to eat or a refreshing drink. I hope you enjoyed the tour and got a sense of the beauty of this incredible destination. Don't forget to click the like button, write a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.